everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel, Jane10's Lifestyle. I trust you're all doing well and keeping safe at this particular time with the coronavirus. So today's video is going to be about making chicken curry. Chicken curry with some chickpeas, anything curry, anything to do with the Indian spices is one of my favorite things to make. So today I thought I'm going to show you one of my favorite dishes, which is chicken curry, and I'm going to be doing it with some chicken thighs, because I think the chicken thighs, the darker part of the meat, has more flavor compared to the chicken breast, and it doesn't dry as quick. So I'm going to show you some of the ingredients that I'm using. Very simple ingredients, very easily available in the supermarkets or in many places. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the process at which I'm doing it, and if you do give it a try, let me know how it turns out. So keep watching Jane10. So for the ingredients, I have tomatoes, fresh garlic, fresh ginger, coriander, fresh coriander or cilantro, 2 onions, 2 chilies, which is optional if you don't like spices. I have here chicken thighs that I've diced into, not too small, not too big, just medium size. Chicken thighs. I'll be using coconut oil today as my main oil for cooking. So here I have organic virgin coconut oil, and for the spices I have cumin powder, curry powder, I have ground fenugreek here, I have some garam masala, I have coriander powder, some salt, turmeric powder, I have some cumin seeds, I have some black mustard seeds, I have coconut milk, and here I have organic chickpeas in water, and I have some chicken bouillon. So I'm going to start by chopping my onions. So I'm going to start by blending these actually. So I have a little food processor mixer here that I'm going to add my onion. I'm going to make this into a nice paste. So I'm going to put maybe half of that, some ginger, and all the garlic goes in as well. So just to give the food processor a little bit of easier work, you just chop it, not too small. So I'm going to do that one fast. I'm going to add some water to it. So I'm going to add the rest of it. I'm going to add in my paste in an empty pan with no oil, nothing at all, and just let that cook for a little while until all the water has drained off, and then I'm going to come back and add all the other ingredients. Make a little incision at the end here, and I'm going to blanch them in hot water for a couple of minutes. Now my paste has fully dried, as you can see. I'm going to add now some coconut oil into it. So just let that melt in and release all the fragrance of it. I'll start by adding in some mustard seeds. I do love mustard. Cumin seeds, a teaspoon of coriander powder, curry powder and a half, turmeric powder and a half, cumin powder and a half. So I'm gonna give this a good mix. You can smell the amazing aromas coming out of this from all the spices. I'm just gonna let this cook for a couple of minutes so that the flavors can really intensify. You can see that looks amazing. And I'm going to put in a half a teaspoon of fenugreek powder because it's a bit on the stronger side. Wow, it smells amazing in here. Now I'll add in my chicken and give those a good mix now. So now I'm going to take out the tomatoes and put them immediately in cold water to stop them cooking. So at this stage I'm going to add in my tomatoes and cilantro together. Mix those nicely. And then I'm going to add in my chicken bouillon, chicken stock, and mix that. Give this maybe 2 to 3 minutes before adding in the coconut milk so that the tomatoes can soften a little bit. That looks really nice. At this stage I'm going to add in my chickpeas, which I've rinsed off from the water that is in the tin, from the tin. And that looks really nice. I'm gonna taste for salt, and if I need to add any salt, it's perfect. So it looks amazing already. So at this stage what I'm going to do, I'm going to add in my coconut milk. All of it goes in, and this just gives a nice creamy texture and very nice flavor. If you'd like to not use chickpeas and use maybe another type of vegetables, please do so. I might add maybe green beans later on after this has cooked, maybe for another half an hour, just to give everything a chance to cook. I'll cover that and let that cook for a couple of minutes. So finally my chicken curry and chickpea has finally done. So I've cooked this approximately for 45 minutes. I just wanted the coconut milk and the chicken and everything to really get all the flavors together. So I'm going to just garnish it, turn off the gas and just garnish it. The last thing that I'm going to add is some garam masala. So I'm going to add that just at the end and give that a nice mix. So guys, as you saw, it's very easy to make a chicken curry. You can make a vegetarian curry the same way, omitting the meat and the chicken bouillon and just adding as many vegetables as possible, and this dish is amazing. So I'm going to have this with some basmati rice, and then maybe tomorrow I'm going to have it with some naan bread. If you want, you can actually have it with a chapati, and it works amazingly as well. So thank you all for watching, and I'll be seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.